Tucows OpenSRS Storefront doesn't just make it easier to sell domains. Its intuitive admin portal, Storefront Manager, makes domain management a breeze. Let's take a quick tour of Storefront Manager so you can start selling with confidence. Sign in at OpenSRS.com or access it from the top right drop-down menu of your OpenSRS control panel. Once in, you're taken to your domains page. If yours is empty right now, no problem. Once your customers start making purchases through your storefront, the domains will automatically appear here. Domains registered through your OpenSRS control panel or API won't appear in your storefront. You can select any domain to see its high-level details, and click its event log to view its registration or transfer in date, as well as any renewals. I want to view the customer who owns this domain, and I can do so by clicking on their name. You'll notice we're now in the Customers tab. From here, I can update their email address, send them a password reset link, and even temporarily suspend their account if need be. I can also view their domain purchases and select their event log to see all their storefront transactions. Selecting a domain name will always take me to its domain details, which we've already covered. But to make changes to the domain settings, I'll log in as the customer. This opens a new browser tab and takes me to Jeff's account. I'm seeing exactly what they see. From here, I can select the relevant domain to view and update its domain information and contact details, and process a renewal. I also have the option to modify its name servers, set up domain forwarding, and add or edit DNS records. From the Your Domains page, I can also process renewals in bulk, or register additional domains on behalf of the customer, automatically charging the credit card they have on file. Finally, I can view and edit the customer's account information from the top right dropdown and see their transaction history. Now let's head back to Storefront Manager and take a look at our final tabs, Pricing and Orders. You set your pricing when you activated your storefront, but you can always return here to make changes. Check out our Update Domain Pricing video if you'd like a step-by-step guide. Whatever your margins, each month will automatically deposit your storefront profits into your bank account. We collect a small payment processing fee, but the rest is yours to keep. In the Orders tab, you'll find every transaction made through your storefront. You can sort them using handy filters and export your entire history or a filtered segment as a CSV file for easy bookkeeping. Finally, you can always view your customer-facing storefront using the shortcut under the menu on the top right. There you have it. Now you know the ins and outs of managing clients and domains through OpenSRS Storefront Manager. You're ready to add your customer-facing storefront to your website. Happy reselling!